The Volkswagen Passat Lingyu is a Chinese mid-sized Volkswagen produced by Shanghai Volkswagen at its plants in Anting and Nanjing. It was launched in November 2005 and replaced the Volkswagen Passat B5. It is a rebadged model of the Škoda Superb I with more luxurious trim levels. In 2009 itself was replaced by the Volkswagen Passat Variant. The Passat Lingyu is offered in following equipment lines: Standard, Luxury, VIP and Flagship. The Standard had a 4-cylinder engine with a displacement of 1,984 cc and a power of 85 kilowatts. The Luxury and the VIP were delivered with a turbo engine with a displacement of 1,781 cc and a power of 110 kilowatts. The Flagship was the top model of the Lingyu lineup. It was motorized with a V6 engine with a displacement of 2,771 cc and a power of 140 kilowatts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.